You're watching How Leap. Let's turn off auto answering calls on your iPhone. Open the Settings app and scroll down to tap Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, tap Touch. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Call Audio Routing. Tap it. You will see an option for auto answer calls. Make sure this toggle is switched off. If it is on, tap the toggle to turn it gray and disable the feature. With this setting off, your iPhone will no longer automatically answer incoming calls after a set number of seconds. Also, check related settings by going back to the main accessibility menu and tapping Face ID and Attention. Ensure Attention Aware features is turned on, as this can prevent accidental interactions. For users with hearing devices or Bluetooth accessories, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, select your device's info icon, and check that Auto Answer Calls is not enabled there. Additionally, if you use third-party call management apps, check their individual settings for any auto answer options. Your iPhone will now require you to manually swipe or tap to answer every call. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.